So here we are, the drop corner. I've just put a sheet up to protect them, same as something to have a bit of rain or whatnot. That's the inside of it, so that side should be protected from any wind and rain driving in, and that's the inside of it. Put some extra perches on, and that's when I want to keep them in. The door shuts on them like that, so I can let the tipplers out from the inside through the middle door there, and that's it. And this door here, I'm more or less finished, I think. There ain't much, I can't think of anything else I've got to do now. The boxes are sorted, so all sorted.